Tîm Andy Morrison yn gwybod bydde buddigoliaeth pnawn ma'n mynd â nhw 2 bwynt yn glir ar frig y tabl. Bale ni'n beryglis i fewn i'r cwrt, ond mae'r golwr di gollwng i a Callum Morrison i roi Cei Connah ar y blaen wedi dim ond 7 o funudau. 5 gol y tymor i Callum Morris. Blerwch am ddiffynol, ond wthiad yng nghefn Owens hefyd, ond Morris sydd yn sgorio. Declan Poole yn gryf yn y dacl, nad ennill y meddiant i'r nomadiad. Owen, pas ar y cynnig cyntaf, Ryan Wignall. Wignall wrth i fodd yn rhedeg tuag at yr amddiffyn, yn llithro'r bas a Poole sydd yno. Digon o amser i roi'r Bale yng nghornel y rhwyd. Declan Poole yn dyblu'r fantais wedi 25 o funudau. A mi oedd hi'n hawdd i Poole. Hanner awr ar y cloc, tafliad yn un hyd gan Spencer, mae'n syrthio at Rhys Thomas. 2 gol mewn 2 gêm i Rhys Thomas. A dyna gol gyntaf Met yn erbyn Cei Connah ers Medi 2016. Owens y bas letraws yn hyfryd at Wignall sy'n rheoli Wignall. Y sodliad, Rob Hughes ar cynnig. O mi oedd hi'n rhy agos ag at y golwr ond symudiad da gan Cei Connah. Bowler allan at Kyle McCarthy sy'n croesi. Mae'n un beryglis, mae Rhys Thomas yna di mynd i'r llawr ar ergyd. Yn cael i'w harbed gan Ruston. Mi oedd Iwan Griffith di gweld be ddigwyddodd yn y cwrt, dim trosedd yn ôl y dyfarnwr. Mi ath Ruston yn wych i arbed y cynnig gan Spencer. Ceniad cry gan Kyle McCarthy a Rhys Thomas ar ei holi. Yn mynd i gadw hon ar dir y chwarae, Di Maio yn codi ben ac yn croesi'n gynnar. Snaith sy'n codi ar peniad dros y traws gan y blaenwr Sam Snaith. Owen at Morris. Y bas yn un dda at Poole sy'n gadw'r Bale yn fyw wedi mae'n gwneud hynny. Michael Wilde ar peniad i fewn i'r cwrs lle mae'r cawr Andy Owens yn disgwyl amdani. Nôl at Wilde, Met gael trafferth clirio fan hyn. Ryan Wignall. Wignall creu lle i groesi ag Andy Owens yno i rwydo'r drydedd i Cei Connah. A Wignall yn creu unwaith eto. Baker at Spencer. Pas dda di hwnna at Baker unwaith eto. Mae Rosgro'n rhydd allan ar y dde. Adam Rosgro yn croesi. Mae Snaith yn cyrraedd. Unwaith eto, Sam Snaith yn methu cyfeirio'r peniad tuag at y gol. I sgoriodd o ddiwedd yn ebyn seintiau'r penwythnos dwytha. Dim cystal lwc wythnos yma.
Just delighted, you know, to get the win. I knew how difficult it was going to be. We've done a lot of work this week on looking at what they did last week and how we can counter that and how we can stop it. And, you know, for the first half an hour, I don't think they got out of their half. You know, we totally pinned them in. And, you know, you can feel the frustrations that they're having from their bench and from that. But I think that's more respect to us rather than saying that their players, they were saying we've not started. We didn't let them start. And we got into a very comfy position and then conceded from a long throw, you know. And I just think how ironic that Connah's Quay concede from a long throw from Cardiff Met. That changed the course of the game a little bit, so we changed things at half-time and, you know, like I say, with all due respect, there's only one winner there. You know, it's us at 3-1, it could have been more, and Rushy's not had a save to make second half, so we were very good.
Probably naivety on our parts today. I thought at 2-1, we were very much in the game. Sam's diving header could make it 2-2, and we can see that third goal at a crucial time on the 60-minute mark. We spoke before the game about stopping the crosses, and when the ball was in the box, we had more numbers than theirs, and unfortunately he scores. So that's a disappointing goal. But I think the real killer one was the second goal, first half. It was kamikaze from ourselves. So just disappointing the way they gave the goals away today.
And you get to step away from the league next week now with an Iron Brew Caps match against Coleraine. Are you looking forward to that? I
am. I'm really looking forward. I've been across to Coleraine and watched them. You know, they're a very well supported team, so you know they're going to bring a strong contingency with them, and And you know, it's first and foremost is about my players, you know, doing themselves proud, then doing Connah's Quay proud, and then the Welsh League, and then it's in that order. And you know, and if we can do what we did against Falkirk and take a scalp like of a major club from another country, then you know it's fantastic for the league, and I'll be very proud. But you know, we'll be ready come Saturday night, and we'll give a great account of ourselves, and hopefully, you know, the Welsh League will be proud of Connah's Quay.